So today has been a great day so far. My kids' spring break just started, so they are with their grandparents having an awesome vacation, and that's giving me the much needed time to spring clean on this beautiful day. I've got the doors open, the windows open, getting all that fresh air. I just saged the whole place, so getting rid of all the negative energy and anything that doesn't suit me anymore. And then I go to check the mail, and it was perfect because the Morrocco Method is finally here in the starter kit. You get a shampoo for each one of the 5 elements, and they are all very aesthetically pleasing. Super cute little designs on them. Also a styling gel, floating lotus conditioner, a cream rinse, which is super cute with the little mermaid on it. And there's also these 2 leave-ins. One focuses on volumizing and the other one is moisturizing. There is a face scrub and revitalizer. I'm gonna use that ASAP. Then we have the Zen Detox Mask. Very cool. And the scalp massager. This bad boy I will be keeping in my purse because it feels amazing. You can use it to, stimulate your scalp anywhere on your body. The brush, the way they describe like how you're supposed to brush your hair, which I'll go in more detail in a different video, but it sounds so dreamy and it makes so much sense. I'm super excited, a little bit nervous about this whole detox process because, after the whole year of hair school, I know there's going to be a lot of stuff that comes out. Kind of excited to see it. It should be very interesting, and I don't even know what my natural hair looks like anymore and what it's going to look like after all of the junk is out. Just from reading everything, this is going to be a huge change, and I'm so ready for it. I'll keep you guys posted.